I got a pretty good harvest today and I want to taste all my tomatoes. This is everything I'm gonna try. This is the indigo blue chocolate, the Roma, the jalapeno, Chinese 5-color, Sweet Million, Black Beauty, and Marglobe. I'm using a bread knife because I feel like it just cuts through tomato very easy. Let's start with the indigo blue chocolate because I'm most curious about this one. That's what it looks like. Kind of green, dark brown. Cut off, a little piece. It's not so sweet. Like if I had to describe it, it's more like salty than it is sweet, like candy. I really like it. I could eat that raw. I really like this one. Let's do the Marglobe. This is the inside of the Marglobe. Beautiful. That's a good tomato, like red tomato. First of all, there's a lot of meat to it. Unlike the indigo blue chocolate, it's a lot of this middle part. I don't know what it's called. It's like juicy, not sweet. I also really like this one. Maybe I'm not good at this taste testing thing. I just think they're all good. We're gonna go with the Sweet Million now. I have been eating these for breakfast, so I know what they taste like, so I like these, but they have more of like a muted flavor. Like it's just very like flat flavor, like a red grape, you know, like a boring red grape. So I mean, not to knock on it too much, like I like them for breakfast. Let's do Black Beauty now. Very similar to the indigo blue chocolate. It's kind of dark green, dark red. Let's taste it. A bit more sour than these. This is just my favorite one. I mean, they both have umami flavor. I don't know if sour is the word. It's like a little bit tangier. Okay, now we're gonna try the Roma. I mean, there's nothing exciting about aroma, but still. Yeah, just like a bland tomato. Like, I like it for what it is. It just tastes like a tomato, like any regular tomato. Well, now that I've tasted all of them, I like the Marglobe and the indigo blue chocolate. Now for the peppers, you know what? I think I'm only gonna taste this one. I don't even know if they're supposed to be spicy. So it's not like super spicy. I'm tasting a little bit of spice. They're about as spicy as Serranos. I eat Serranos raw all the time. I could probably eat this raw. Spicier than a jalapeno, probably, but not spicier than a Serrano. And those are my tomatoes. My favorites have to be the indigo blue chocolate and the Marglobe.